Protect your aircraft aesthetic and integrity with an easy and affordable touch-up solution from Sherwin-Williams Aerospace Coatings. Our new JetPen product allows you to quickly and easily touch up chips, dings, and scratches in a one-time use on your aircraft. This two-component touch-up pen contains Sherwin-Williams Aerospace Coatings that can be used on aircraft exteriors and cabins at any point during the paint process. Instead of buying a gallon of paint, opt for a convenient and inexpensive solution that will save you money and time. No special equipment or training is required for application. Simply break the seal, shake it, and once the tip is saturated, let the paint flow. Our JetPen Touch-Up comes with interchangeable chisel and brush tip options in cases of 24 for primers, clear coats, and a variety of top coat colors for systems such as Jet Glow Express, Skyscapes, and Jet Flex. At Sherwin-Williams Aerospace Coatings, we've made color selection and coating application simple. Now you can touch up your aircraft with the same ease.